was Mr. Bachchan as a host. Whatever happened in the house, he just, didn't react to what happened in the house. But I get involved. I get involved with these people, then most of them are in touch with me even after Big Boss is over.
Salman, the tagline of Big Boss season 9 is wine is very catchy. And what brings you back to Big Boss year after year? Because last year you had said that you left the show halfway, and now
it's, after you work 3 months, by that time you're exhausted, so everything keeps on coming onto your head. But then there is a long association, and there's a huge connect with all the contestants inside, and as well as the whole team, the Endemol team, the Colors team. So you start missing this whole thing after some time. I actually want to do something else, which we will do. Sir, ये studio leak हो रहा है sir. Seriously? Something yeah. No. यहाँ भी हो रहा है ना?
Over and above Big Boss.
So, what was I saying, sir?
Why you keep coming to Big Boss?
Yeah. So you start missing it, and मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जो हमारी कंट्री है, जो हमारी कंट्री की यूथ है, वो एक दिशा में जा रही है. And I think Big Boss का ये जो शो है, it's a window to that because celebrities, पढ़े लिखे लोग आते हैं, जिनका एक माइंड है, जो टेलीविजन पे बोलने से कतराते नहीं, डरते नहीं हैं, कुछ ओवर ड्रामेटिकली कर जाते हैं, तो कुछ बहुत ही सटली कर जाते हैं, कोई दिल से लड़ते हैं तो कोई दिमाग से लड़ते हैं. तो इट्स बेसिकली ये जो हमारी दुनिया की खिड़की, हिंदुस्तान की खिड़की ये है. और फिर जो आप लोग टीवी पर देखते हो, आप लोग उसको एंजॉय करते हो. अगर एंजॉय नहीं करते तो देन आउट ऑफ थॉट के यार ये क्या है, आई वांट टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ इट. But everyone enjoys it. Not only that, everybody who has come out of the Big Boss house he's been working every single day. Most of them. So it gives me great pleasure, in guiding them in the right direction. Sometimes people go overboard. I said, क्या मैं इनका father हूँ, मैं इनका brother हूँ, मैं क्यों बोलूँ? But then एक दायरा होता है, because you cross that limit, it doesn't be entertainment anymore. You cross that limit, you don't get work outside. So I just make sure that no matter what, sometimes I get a lot of criticism for, getting into this. It's not my space. Like there was Mr. Bachchan as a host. Whatever happened in the house, he just, didn't react to what happened in the house. But I get involved. I get involved with these people, then most of them are in touch with me even after Big Boss is over. So I feel that once I am there, let me, be a part of this. And the reason every time मैं सोचता हूँ कि मैं ये show नहीं करूँगा, क्योंकि because it starts affecting me. That is the reason why I keep on saying कि let it go, yeah, let's not do this, एक और 13 लोग मेरी life में आ जाएंगे, Why do I have to do this? But then I just feel that it's a good show. It's about people. It's about relationships. That is where my connect is. मैं जितनी भी जो मेरे फादर की लाइफ की एक्सपीरियंस है, मेरी लाइफ की एक्सपीरियंस है, भाइयों की, दोस्तों की, जो भी लाइफ में देखा है अप्स एंड डाउन, वो मैं अगर इनके साथ शेयर कर सकता हूँ, then why not? That is my only thing for getting back to Big Boss all the time.